When I look at what happened with GameStop, when I look at with AMC, I see many not like-for-like situations. I think some people have more information than others. I think some people weren't in on it, so to speak. I also see kids who were playing Candy Crush, and they got this fantastic app from Robinhood, and they said, this is even more fun than video games. All these areas need at least more sunlight. Again, how do we fix what could again happen from last year?
I think that we learned a lot of lessons from that. We have multiple projects. One, let me talk about the Candy Crush, if I might. We're in a modern time that we're bombarded. We Americans are bombarded every day by prompts, behavioral prompts, do this, do that. We find it in every day. But in finance, the brokerage apps, the robo-advisors are doing it as well. And I think that we have to be aware that their motivation is to make more revenues for that startup or more money for that application and that business. And we have a basic idea in America that they should be making advice and recommendations to us for our benefit. So I think that I would say to you all, the public, as you're investing, beware that they're trying to get you to trade more often. That's their motivation. And statistics usually show that investing is good, but trading often is not. Secondly, there's a bunch going on with regard to the market structure. Are the brokers really trying to actually get best execution? The best execution for you means putting brokers in competition for your order. And that's a really important thing. So we're looking at both of those. We're also looking at the basic plumbing, the clearing and settling part of the market to try to lower the risk there and help protect. Remember, a year ago, a lot of retail investors were shut out of the market.
Right.
And that's not good. Access to our market is so important. And I think we can do some things in what I'll call the plumbing.
Truck a minute. We just got water on our wheel shield.